Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Chevy Silverado garage door opener. First, park your truck safely outside your garage, directly facing the door. It is important to ensure your handheld garage door remote has a fresh battery for optimal signal transmission. Next, clear any existing home link programming by pressing and holding the two outer home link buttons for approximately 20 seconds until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This ensures a clean slate for new programming. Now, let's program the remote. Turn on your Silverado's ignition. Position your original garage door remote 1 to 3 inches away from the home link buttons, which are typically found on your rearview mirror or overhead console. Simultaneously, press and hold both the desired home link button in your vehicle and the open button on your handheld remote. Continue holding until the home link indicator light changes from a slow flash to a rapid flash. Then release both buttons. This indicates the signal has been captured. After programming with your remote, observe the home link indicator light. If it turns solid, congratulations, your programming is complete for a fixed code system. However, if the light flashes rapidly and continuously, your garage door opener utilizes a rolling code system. This means an additional, crucial step is needed to finalize the connection. Do not worry, this is a common and straightforward process that we will cover next, ensuring your Silverado is fully connected. For rolling code systems, exit your vehicle and locate the Learn or Smart button on your garage door opener motor unit, usually near the antenna wire. Press and release this button once. You now have approximately 30 seconds to return to your Silverado. Once inside, firmly press and hold the programmed home link button for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this pressing and releasing action 2 more times. Your garage door should now activate, completing the rolling code programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.